Dear students, some important formulas of the trigonometry. First one is the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And second one is the 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. And third one is the 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. And fourth one is the sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. And fifth one is the cos theta into secant theta equal to 1. And sixth one is the tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. And seventh one is the sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. And eighth one is the cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. And ninth one is the secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. And tenth one is the cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. This is the total important formulas of the trigonometry. Thank you. Dear students, today's topic is the values of the trigonometric function of the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. Here sin 0 degree equal to 0, cos 0 degree equal to 1, tan 0 degree equal to 0, sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, sin 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2, cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2, tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Similarly, sin 60 degrees equal to root 3 by 2, cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2, tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. Similarly, sin 90 degrees equal to 1, cos 90 degrees equal to 0, tan 90 degrees equal to indefined or infinity. We are not able to define this value because of 1 by 0 it will come to, that is the infinity it will come. And similarly, sin 180 degrees equal to 0, cos 180 degrees equal to minus 1, tan 180 degrees equal to 0. And similarly, sin 270 degrees equal to minus 1, cos 270 degrees equal to 0, tan 270 degrees equal to indefined. We are not able to define this one or infinity because of similarly like that only minus 1 divided by 0 it will come. So it will come with the infinity, it will come with the value. And similarly, sin 360 degrees equal to 0, cos 360 degrees equal to 1, tan 360 degrees equal to 0. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the channel. Please like the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you.